In international business, clarity often gets reduced to grammar or accent. But true clarity, the kind that unites diverse minds, is a leadership skill rooted in dialogue, not diction. William Isaacs, in Dialogue and the Art of Thinking Together, describes dialogue as a way of creating meaning collectively, where leaders suspend their assumptions, listen deeply, and speak authentically. This ability to think with others, rather than at them, is what sets multilingual leaders apart. Multilingual leaders live this practice daily. They move between languages and thought patterns, attuned to nuance and silence. Each shift demands awareness, not only of words, but of tone, timing, and power. That awareness becomes strategic capital. It lets them sense misunderstanding before it erupts, detect cultural friction early, and adapt their communication style to foster trust. When leaders apply the principles Isaacs outlines, listening without judgment, voicing with clarity, respecting differing worldviews, they turn linguistic diversity into an engine of insight. Dialogue becomes their strategy. It dismantles defensive reasoning, transforms meetings into learning spaces, and draws out collective intelligence across cultures. In multilingual environments, clarity isn't about simplifying. It's about synthesizing, turning difference into direction. The leader who learns to dialogue fluently across languages gains more than communication skills. They gain a decisive advantage in navigating complexity, aligning teams, and thinking the world together.